Good morning! It's Virginia, and I just have a couple of thoughts that I would like to share with you. I'm out on a little break. So I just had a patient, and as a hygienist, I am in charge of making sure that patients know how to take care of their oral health. Well, I was educating a patient on the water pick and talking about how the water pick removes the bacteria from under your gums, right? And this didn't occur to him that he should use it, but his gums were bleeding. So he educated him that if your gums are bleeding, they're not healthy, so you need additional support. So it would be wrong of me not to encourage him to use something else to assist him or her with getting improvement in the gum tissues. So the water pick will do that. And then I started thinking about, well, what is that with the gum tissues? It's inflammation, correct? Yes. So the bacteria is causing the inflammation. The water pick will flush the bacteria out from under the gums, leaving the sulcus or the pocket of the gum tissue healthier and decreasing the amount of bleeding, right? Okay. If there's chronic inflammation, there starts to be a destruction of the gum tissue or the collagen fibers that attach the gum tissues to the teeth, which are keeping the teeth in, right? So that's bad. So we don't want the inflammation, right? Right. So where am I going with this? I wouldn't be doing my job if I wasn't educating people on a reason for improving their health. So that's the same thing with the oils. That's why I feel so compelled to inform everybody about how beneficial the oils are. So they can be an adjunct service to healthy things that you're already doing, like eating healthy and drinking enough water and exercising, all the things that we know that we should be doing on a daily basis. But it's like the water pick. If I didn't tell him, he wouldn't know. So that's why I feel like doing these videos and posting the education is to educate everyone on the health benefits that the oils have, as well as water picks. If you don't have one, you should probably get one, because we all have gums, and if you have gums, you have inflammation. So there is that. And a number one tool to help rid inflammation is frankincense. And you get frankincense for free this month if you want to get some oils. You know you do. Anyway, you can't walk and think and talk at the same time, apparently. So anyway, I hope that makes sense to you guys, because it totally does for me. So ridding bacteria helps decrease the inflammation in your mouth with the water pick. In your body, when you have inflammation, frankincense is like a water pick. It helps with keeping the inflammatory response low, and so there's not degradation with your tissues. I mean, who wants that? Nobody. If you have tissues, if you're human and you're living, you have inflammation. So why not be proactive about keeping it to a minimum? Anyway, happy days!